Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Snapchat on your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed Snapchat application on your mobile phone. As you can see, I have installed this application and I'm going to open it, and then you can log into your Snapchat. If you don't have Snapchat account, you can create it first. You can use your Google account to create Snapchat account. Okay, and here I have created my account guys, and I'm going to show you how we can use this Snapchat application on our mobile phone. Okay, I'm going to show you the first menu on Snapchat. This one, map. Okay, this is my location right now, and then here we can monitor the place we have visited, but there is no place I have visited guys, so it's still empty. This is how the maps looks like. Okay, and this is my location and information about my location. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the second menu. We can go to the Snapchat messages. Okay, here you will be able to chat AI guys. If you want, just go to your AI and you can talk with your AI right here. I'm going to send something to my AI. Okay, and here you'll be able to chat with your Snapchat friend. Okay, and then if you want to create something on Snapchat, you can click on this camera and you can record video with Snapchat and you can add audio to your video. Okay, you will be able to apply filter as well to your video. And then I'm going to show you the stories menu. Here you'll be able to see stories for other Snapchat accounts or from your friends. And then this is for the spotlight. You will be able to see the spotlight from the Snapchat users. You just need to scroll up and scroll down like this to find the spotlight. Basically, it's like FYP on TikTok. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the map. And here, guys, you will be able to see your memories as well. You can explore your memories on the map right here, but I don't have any memories. Okay guys, and that's how basically we can use Snapchat on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.